What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel for another video today. It has been so long since I made a video and I have big news today. Some of you might not like the news, some of you might be all on board for the news, but we're selling the 240. Before anybody says anything, let me explain why. The 240 has been a great car to me. The 240 has been an awesome build. It's the first car that I ever built. I've learned so much from that car. I am thankful for everything I have learned on that car, but it is time to upgrade. I'm looking to upgrade the 240 to a 2003 Nissan 350Z. The reason I haven't made any videos lately is because I've just had so much going on in life right now. I was in the process of transitioning between jobs. I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do with my channel, with my YouTube channel, and with my build. I've been thinking about this decision for a long time. I've been talking to people and figuring things out about selling the 240 to buy a 350. The reason I'm buying a 350 and selling the 240 is, one, they come with more power out the box. Two, I've always wanted a 350. I wanted a 350 before I even bought the 240. And three, they have a lot more space in them. And four, I just love the feel of the car. My girl got a 350 not too long ago. It's automatic, but she loves it. She got a 350 not too long ago. I've driven it. I've done a lot of driving in it, and I absolutely love the way the 350 chassis feels. It feels like a newer, updated 240 in a way. I've never driven a 350 until recently, but I love it. So I could see myself driving that car and being comfortable in that car as a drift car. With the new build, I do not plan on I plan on doing things in a different order than my last build. And I want you guys to be there for me throughout the whole entire process. I plan on documenting everything. With the 240, I did not get to document the whole build. I started my YouTube channel late and didn't get around to that. So with the new vehicle, I plan on documenting every part of it. I want to start off with maybe some small motor stuff, exhaust, plenum spacer. I've been doing research on different performance mods for a 350, but I want to take out the diff, get that welded. Of course, that's always number one. Get the diff welded. Two, start working on suspension. GK Tech just not too long ago released an angle kit on a budget for a 350Z. You can get a angle kit for a 350Z by GK Tech for literally $260, I believe, is the normal price on it, which is insane. It gives you 60 degrees of steering angle, zero acronym, well, close to zero acronym, and you can't beat that price. Then I'll be doing coilovers. I'm going to browse around at different brands. So coilovers, depends on the one I find, maybe wheels, angle kit, exhaust, cold air intake, and yeah. I can't wait to get started on the new build. I will be bringing you guys with me every step of the way, so be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on bell notifications so you can see the day that I buy the new 350Z. So everybody, I hope everybody has enjoyed my videos in the past of the 240SX, but it is time to move on to bigger and better things. It's going to benefit me more. I don't care about what you guys really want to see me build. Maybe I'll do another 240 build down the line, but I like the Z chassis way better. So sorry, not sorry. But anyways, have a great day, everybody, and see you all next time.